Sports of Kingsford Racing is always at its best, and they're off. And lead is taken by Take Me Tonight by the Royal Flores, and moving up on the farther outside is Home Run Lash. And as they leave the straight, Home Run Lash in the lead, followed by Take Me Tonight Flores and Don Eduardo's Best Quattro Supra. Heading for the back stretch, it is still Home Run Lash by a length, followed by Take Me Tonight by the Rail in second, Flores on the outside in third, and running in fourth, Don Eduardo's Best, and Quattro Supra is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it's still Home Run Lash by half a length, followed by Flores on the outside, moving up on the inside, Take Me Tonight, and Don Eduardo's Best on the farther outside in fourth. Nearing the far end, it is taken over now by Take Me Tonight by the Rail, Home Run Lash on the outside in second, and Flores running in third, Don Eduardo's Best, Quattro Supra. Rounding the far turn, it's still Take Me Tonight by the Rail on the outside is Home Run Lash, Flores remains in third. The last bend for home, it's Take Me Tonight by the Rail, Home Run Lash on the outside in second, Flores running in third by 2.5 lengths, Don Eduardo's Best and Quattro Supra. At the top of the stretch, Home Run Lash on the outside, Take Me Tonight by the Rail. It's Home Run Lash on the outside, Take Me Tonight by the Rail, Flores on the farther outside in third, and closing in is Don Eduardo's Best. It's Home Run Lash in the lead, followed by Take Me Tonight. It's still Home Run Lash, Take Me Tonight on the outside in second, and nearing the payoff line, it's Home Run Lash, Take Me Tonight, Don Eduardo's Best, Flores, Quattro Supra.
All right.